What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at another video, man. Today, you're at the title, I'm doing an unboxing of one of the best sneakers to release this year, and I actually already have a pair of this sneaker, but I had to get another pair, man. It's more why I got more than one pair, but we're gonna say that for later videos to come. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. We're gonna go to 20,000 subscribers. Help me right now by sharing the video and liking the video and comment on the video. That shows YouTube the engagement that we got going on and all the dope content I give you guys, and y'all give me y'all feedback in the comment section below. And also follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage, man. You know, the link will always be in the description box below. So with all that being said, the intro being done, let's get into this unboxing, man. Let's get it. All right, here you see it right here. I actually got this pair of sneakers from KixSquare. I've been not working with KixSquare like I'm sponsored by them, but I've been buying shoes from KixSquare since like 2017. Ever since I seen Mike Rich do a video over KixSquare, I never heard of him, but he messed with KixSquare. He got shoes off there. He gave like coupon codes for all his subscribers, like things like Mike 10, you save $10 off, but I think the coupon code is over now. You know, I kept shopping with KixSquare. They kept having like the pre-orders, the early releases and stuff like that. I actually thought I was gonna get this pair early, so I recently just got this shoe a day ago. I sent it to my boy, the Retro Wiz Kid crib. You know, I did not move into the house yet, and it finally came, man. Like I said, I got this from KixSquare, all boxed up, taped up like a mug, but we're gonna unbox this, show you what we got, and I'm gonna kind of explain why I feel like this is one of the best sneakers to release in 2019 so far, man. It's gonna be a short video, but I wanna get this unboxing out the way, so let's get into it. All right, guys, and quick intermission. I need something different, man. I'm tired of the box cutter. I definitely need something a little more fancy, so y'all let me know what I should get. Send me some Amazon links. Let me know what I should get to unbox these packages, man, because look at this, man. Come on, you can't go out like that, bro. I can't go out like this. Come on, G. So y'all help me out. What should I get for my next? I need something special, so let me know. So let's get into this real quick. So they triple tape this joint. See, it's only give me a little room to unbox, man. Like, I need something a little bit longer. Pause. Get in there real quick. Got some more tape on the side. Like I said, super tape this up. Gonna get into it. So y'all see the gray at the bottom, man. What do y'all think this sneaker is? What do y'all think it is? Let me know in the comment section below, man. Let's get that conversation going. I need some anticipation going in the comment section below. So we're gonna pull it open. Boom. All right, we got that side. Boom. There we go. Let's pull them things out, man. Once y'all see the size of the box, y'all already gonna know what sneaker it is. And like I said, one of the best things to release of 2019. Slept on, man. I don't know why. But here we have it. An Air Jordan 4 box right here. As you can see, you got that flight, got that Jumpman right here, and you see the cement all around the box. And official colorway is, hold on, let me read it. Air Jordan 4 Retro. Official colorway, cool gray, chrome, dark charcoal. And I got these in a 9.5. I'm not for sure why I got these in 9.5. Could have swore I got a 9 or 8.5, but hey, we got 9.5 right here. Retail for 190 bucks. You already know what they are. And I did double up shouty, as some of y'all would say, on them cool gray 4 things, man. Check them out. Check them out. One of the best sneakers. I'm telling y'all, I'm not trying to overhype this shoe, but this is one of the best sneakers released this year. And it was slept on. People was letting it sit. Nobody was really going after them. Granted, I know I preach this all the time. If you can wait on a sneaker, if you can get it for a cheaper price, do it. But this is one of the shoes I want to get an early review out on. And hey, it's August like the 7th or 8th. And I already did the review over the Air Jordan 4. And that was a pair that I got off of the Shock Drop. Shouts out to my boy Q. He let me review that pair for you guys with size 8 or 8.5. I think I didn't give you a own feed. I didn't really give you an in-depth review over these because that wasn't mine. I don't like messing with people's shoes. Like, if they come laced, I'm not gonna unlace it. I'm not gonna take the cardboards out. I'm not gonna go bending the tongue back and stuff like that. But I did do an early review for you guys. I have not did on feet. I was thinking about doing it, but I don't know. Maybe I might still do it. But this isn't size 9.5. I don't know why I got a 9.5 in my 4s. I only go 9.5 in my 3s. Let's pull this other one out real quick. Throw this box out the way because we don't need the box. Y'all see the drop fronts going on down there. So got a whole bunch more shoes over there that I need to go get in drop front containers. I still have shoes all wrapped around my closet that need to go in the drop front containers. Like I said, I don't have a lot of shoes, I feel like, but I need a lot more drop fronts.
Really, nigga?
But check them out, man. You got that white Jumpman on the tongue, that flight right there, looking super clean. And this pair, I don't know, bro. Let me pull my other pair out real quick. Hold on. So here we have it, the size 9, and this is the size 9.5. Like I said, I don't know why I got 9.5 because I got a 9.5 in the Travis Scott 4s y'all see up there in the top shelf. I got a 9.5 in those, but I never tried those on. I'm not even gonna lie, because I'm thinking about still flipping them things. I ain't gonna cap. Because I still want to get like some of those other shoes, like the Jordan 1, Unit LAs. I want to get the Travis Scott 1 highs. Like, it's a lot of shoes I want. And the 4s is like, they not really up there for me, like in my favorite silhouette number. But here you have it, one of the best shoes to release this year. This shoe I got from Foot Locker, size 9, and this one I got from KixSquare. They left a note in here. It's not a note, it's just a receipt. Size 9.5, one quantity, order number, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. So y'all let me know in the comments below right now if you went after these Air Jordan 4 Cool Grays. Like I said, if y'all want to see your own feet over a pair of these, y'all let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to do that. Probably be like a little short 3-4 minute video of me chopping up the B-roll and all that stuff over these dope kicks. And there's a lot of different jean variations you can go with this because it's a neutral color. It's great. You got the black in there, you got the white in there, and of course, you got the gray in there, man. It goes with every jean color. I feel like you can wear dark denim, light denim, white jeans, black jeans, or whatever you want. You can rock with these sneakers. And this is a dope back to school kick, man. But if you have to wait on the shoe, if you want to get on a discount, get it for a cheaper price, go ahead and wait, because I do know for sure that these are still sitting everywhere. I went to the mall the other day. It was in every store at Cool Grade 4, and it was in small sizes. You know, if a small size is sitting at, pretty much the shoe ain't got no hype to it. So if you see small size sitting, just wait on it. You can get them on sale later on down the line. This is definitely a shoe I can see later on down, closer to the end of the year, where people are going back to get, and definitely being on a lot of people's top 10 sneaker pickups of 2019, which I'm gonna do a video around December time frame so I can get everybody's opinion. I want all my subscribers to let me know their top 10 sneaker pickups of the year, top 5, however many sneakers you cop. I want y'all to rank them and let me know in the comments below later on in that video. But that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you got these. Follow me over Instagram at DeVintage World. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. You just made it this far into the video. Subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, live stream. I will be going live tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned for that. Follow me over Instagram at DeVintage World, man. And with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.